cupcakes today. It's usually cakes, but today it's cupcakes, and I love doing cupcakes because, as you can see, you can put multiple themes into one present. So we've got the football. This fella supports the team. Rolex watch, golf, the age, the Hulk fist, Superman, and then two little plaques made out of icing filled with edible gold paint saying happy birthday. I've got 6 vanilla, 6 chocolate cupcakes. The vanilla is topped with a vanilla buttercream and the chocolate with a chocolate ganache. Filled also the vanilla with jam and the chocolate with a milk chocolate ganache, making my mouth water. So these are edible prints that are backed onto icing to make the toppers. Everything's edible and made out of icing. So yum yum.